Yo, what happened, bro?
Bro, I finished many AI course online. I have certificates but when I apply for the freelance or internship, employee always ask for a portfolio. I do not have anything to show.
But you study AI, but you have no projects to show.
Yes, exactly. The exercise stays inside the learning platform. I cannot prove my skills.
This problem happens to many students. They learn AI skills but cannot show real work to employers. The solution. Our solution is the AI Project Portfolio Builder.
What does that do?
Instead of exercises staying inside the platform, the system converts your assignment into professional AI projects.
So the work become a real portfolio?
Yes, the system organizes your work into a project format. It shows the problem the AI method used and the results.
Wow, so every module I complete becomes a project I can show to the employers?
Exactly.
Now I can show my AI project to employers and clients. I am not only learning AI, but I'm building proof of my skills. Hello, that was the skit from our group. And my name is Jordy. And today we're going to do the research from the problem that we identified from our research. Many college students that show a strong interest in AI, they wanted to learn AI skills and use those skills to create some income opportunities in the future. However, there's a clear gap that between interest and action. Students often see AI as a free learning platform that is less valuable. Some students question the quality of AI learning or free courses. Others feel unsure whether the certificates or skill gain will help them earn income. Because of this perception, many students lose motivation before they even begin learning. Others start a course but stop halfway. The issue doesn't come from lack of interest. The issues come from how students perceive the value of learning platforms. But in this insight, we reframe the problem with a design question. How might we strengthen the perceived value of free AI learning platforms for college students who want to generate income using AI, so their motivation to start learning and continue learning increase as their motivation? This question helped focus our solution on one goal: increasing trust, relevance, and real outcome for student learning AI. I'll let my colleagues Jolene to go through the user persona. Thank you.
This slide introduces our target user persona, John. John is a 24-year-old final year business student. As he approaches graduation, he's becoming increasingly aware on how important digital and AI-related skills are in today's competitive job market. While he has some exposure to data science and IT, he feels that much of his university learning is still quite theory-based and does not fully prepare him for real-world job requirements. John is highly motivated to upskill. His main goals are to gain both business and technical skills, especially in areas like AI, build a strong and competitive resume, and improve his overall employability. He is also looking to gain practical experience and build professional connections that can help him transition smoothly into the workforce. However, John faces several challenges. He needs clear and structured learning pathway because he is unsure which skills are most relevant to employers. He also struggles with the overwhelming numbers of online learning options available and find it difficult to identify which platforms are credible and worth his time. In addition, he is balancing academic workload and job preparations, so he is concerned about investing time in courses that may not lead to valuable outcomes. From our observation, students like John are interested in AI and digital skills, but often disengaged due to lack of guidance, relevance, and trust. This creates a key opportunity for IBM Skills Build to provide more structured, practical and career-focused learning experiences. By addressing these needs, the platforms can better support students like John in building job-ready skills and increasing their confidence as they enter the workforce. Now I'll pass my time to Dean.
So next will be the proposed solution. The first proposed solution is the AI Project Portfolio Builder. Instead of completing exercise that stay within the learning platform, students can turn their assignments into portfolio-ready projects with the help of AI. These projects can then be compiled into a professional portfolio that showcases their work highlights, their AI skills to potential employers or clients. This allows students to see clear results from what they have learned rather than just completing tasks endlessly. So the second proposed solution is the Alumni Success Showcase. This solution allows former students to share real stories about the usefulness of the platform, which has helped them gain more income opportunities through AI. By sharing these authentic experiences, the platform becomes more reliable while also motivating and inspiring new learners to try out the online learning platform. Lastly, the final proposed solution is the Job Matching Recommendation Tool, which matches students' skills with suitable income opportunities. Based on their learning progress, the platform can align their abilities to the various Singaporean standards, allowing them to understand better about the skills that the industry is looking for. Next, I will hand over to Travis.
Thank you, Dean. I will now evaluate the three proposed solutions using the desirable, viable, and feasible framework and present the final recommendation. First, the AI Project Portfolio. This solution is highly desirable because business students want practical ways to showcase their skills to their employers. By generating AI-based projects, it allows students to build a strong, demonstrable portfolio. It is also viable as it aligns with IBM Skills goals of improving employability and digital skills. In terms of feasibility, it can be integrated into existing platforms with moderate effort since AI modules already exist. Second, the Alumni Success Showcase. This is desirable because students are influenced by peer success stories, which increases trust in the platform. It is also viable as it strengthens IBM's brand's credibility and highlights real career outcomes. It is also highly feasible, requiring minimal resources as such, interviews and testimonials. Third, the Job Matching Recommendation Tool. This solution is desirable because it clearly links learning to job opportunities. It is viable as it enhances IBM's partnerships with employers and positions the platform as career-focused. However, it is less feasible in the short term due to high technical complexity and the need for industry collaboration. Using the impact effort matrix, the AI project portfolio emerges as a quick win, offering high impact with low effort. The job matching tool is a long-term, high-effort project, while the alumni showcase provides low effort but more indirect impact. Therefore, the final recommendation is the AI project portfolio. It addresses the key problems that students lack practical, demonstrable skills. By converting learning into real projects, students can showcase their abilities on resumes or LinkedIn, improving employability. In conclusion, this solution delivers immediate value to both students and IBM Skills Build by increasing engagement, completion rate, and career outcome. I will now pass my time to Chloe.
Thank you, Travis. Now, I will be talking about our prototype, which focuses on the AI Project Portfolio Builder within the IBM Skills Build platform. This was selected to address the gap between theory-based learning and the growing employer demand for practical digital skills. As shown in the prototype, users begin by logging into the platform and accessing a personalized dashboard. From there, they can browse available courses and select a course aligned with their interests and career goals. Once a course is selected, the system recommends a corresponding project. The system then automatically generates a new project and students can begin working through it step by step, applying skills such as analyzing datasets or creating simple AI solutions. After completing the project, users are able to submit their work, which is then compiled into a structured portfolio. Finally, the completed project can be added into their resumes and can be shared externally, such as on LinkedIn, allowing users to showcase their work to potential employers. This end-to-end process demonstrates how the platform guides users from learning to application and ultimately showcasing their skills. To test our prototype, we conducted usability testing with students and evaluated both quantitative and qualitative outcomes. The majority of users, approximately 80%, reported that the portfolio feature has significantly improved their perceived job readiness and motivation to complete courses. In addition, qualitative feedback indicated that users valued the ability to showcase tangible work on LinkedIn, reinforcing the platform's relevance to employability. Thank you. Now I'll hand it over to Sarah, who will talk about the Gantt chart.
So to show that our solution is realistic for IBM, we developed a clear 16-week implementation plan. In the first phase, from weeks 1 to 4, your team would focus on planning, defining success metrics, identifying key features, and engaging with students and university partners to make sure the solution is aligned with their needs. At the same time, the design team can start working on the platform experience, ensuring it's simple and engaging for students. From weeks 6 to 10, the development team would then build the core features, including the AI project portfolio builder, AI integration, and portfolio export functions that allow students to showcase their work. This is followed by testing, where students try the features, and your team refines it based on feedback before the launch. In parallel, marketing and partnerships team can promote skills built through universities to drive awareness and adoption. Finally, the solution will then be launched, and performance is tracked to continuously improve engagement and completion rates. So moving forward, we encourage your team to take the next step by piloting this solution with a group of university students. This allows IBM to test its real impact on engagement, completion rates, and employability before scaling it across the platform. By doing this, IBM can move beyond just being a learning platform and become a tool that delivers real career outcomes for students. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to the opportunity to bring this idea to life with IBM.